We have one stock is squeezed almost over the 300%. We already talked about it 2 days ago on pre-market update. And we have other 4 stocks is ready to squeeze because we overcome important resistance for them. So let's get right to it and start our video for the first stock. Here we have this stock that went really crazy from our resistance, almost 247%. Is called HSCS. And if we go in the Patreon, we talked about it yesterday at 7 p.m. and what we said, candle close above the $1.73, we're gonna have explosion phase and going ballistic and going over the $3. That was a really good hunt for our Patreon. So we suggest to take a profit on for this one around the 3. You see it now is going back to 3 from the 5 until the 347 because this is hyped price. Here this is the realistic price. That's why we suggest to take the price before the $5 or the $4. So what we suggest for this one is already exploded. If we want to confirm that the price will continue to go higher for the 5, we want to hold this technical level above the 3. This is the most important thing. You see, we have a candle testing at the moment the $3. So by tomorrow, we need to consolidate above the $3 to have a reinitiation and the price go again around the $6 and the $10 for this one. Next one we have, let me go to my other list. We have really crazy things happening. We talked about AMC and AMC is holding above this triangle. And now we have another support, which is the 16. If we held it, we're going to have a test around the 20, then going around the $29. We already talked about it here. We do chart analysis before the market open. Here, that's the one we talked about, tnxp squeeze and AMC breakout target. So if you want to join, the link in comment section below. You get 2 months for free for TradingView Premium. Target to be tested for AMC around those level, the 20, then the $29. Next up we have Square. Tomorrow have the earnings, so that's why the price is exploding. Yesterday we talked about here on YouTube, hope you saw the video, we talked about Square. We said is breaking an important resistance around the 75 and we're gonna have a test for the 90. Now it's getting near the 90, around the 87. So by tomorrow we need to break this level of resistance to continue to go toward where, yes, you guessed it, around the 152. So for my opinion, this the most critical level for Square for this year to enter a bullish trend and squeeze to go to the 200 and higher. At the moment, we have to watch out for the 90. We might see a rejection coming up for Square. So let me just go to BlackBerry because BlackBerry is holding perfectly above the $6.23. We said we're gonna have a bit of rejection around the $6.75. If we get rejected, we have to hold above the $6 to continue toward the $7 and the $9. Let me go to Riot. Riot is doing great because we held in above the $5.84 and the resistance around the $9.64. There is DKNG is entering a bullish trend now after this crazy bearish trend that we entered in the last November. You see, we entered the bearish trend. Now we break this ascending line and going toward this important level, which is above our exponential average. And we have a strong green candle close above. So if we held above the 1480, we're going to have a continuation for DKNG until the 35. So if you want to load up on DKNG with free share, you can with Momo. You can win 5 free stock. One of them is DKNG, and you have the other one, AMC Fuel Cell Energy and AZO and Tesla and Apple. At the moment, there's an offer for Apple. You can win free share of Apple. You have 36 hours left to win the free share Apple with my link in comment section below. You have until August 7th to get those stocks. And how you can get those stocks is pretty simple. You open an account with Momo. Second, you just deposit $100 in order to get 1 free share of stock valued between the $8 up to $2,500. So use this opportunity and get your free share of Apple and DKNG and AMC and the other stocks with my link in comment section below, or the notification will pop up here, will take you directly to open your account with Momo. So if we go back to DKNG, as we said, The 35 is my target for this year. However, the near target is around the 23. If we go to, let me just go to Lucid. Yeah, Lucid is doing really crazy now. We bounced perfectly from our ascending line. You see it here. Nice bounce as we talked about before. We said the 21 is the rejection. If we overcome it for Neo or for Lucid, we're gonna go around the 28.35. So put notification around the 21.50 in order to enter for this nice trade for Lucid. It's ready to be happened. In a few days, we're gonna see this volatility for Lucid. So again, let me know if you already hunt for our runner stock that went almost 200% for today. Congrats about hunters who hunt with me for this stock. You can have those watch lists. I'm gonna do it exclusively for our hunters on Patreon and membership and YouTube, and of course on TradingView community. If you want to hunt for those stocks that run 200, 300%, you can join us in the link comment section below. If you don't know how to join, just send me an email on trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. So let's get ready to hunt. And why we waste our time and talking? We go straight to the chart, straight to the information, and never run after the price. We let the price come to us. See you in the next update.